Congratulations on starting your clear aligner therapy here at Howell Orthodontics. We're going to go over some things so you'll know how to wear your aligners and take great care of them so that you'll have a wonderful treatment finish and the best results possible. First, always wash your hands or use hand sanitizer before handling your aligner in your mouth. When you first try in your aligner, it will be tempting to put it in and bite down, but instead you'll need to first seat the aligner with finger pressure. You can line up the front and then gently seat from the back right around to the back left or vice versa. It may even snap into place, especially if you have attachments. Once it's in place, you'll need to use Chewies to squeeze the aligner into place and get the teeth moving. It's good to use these Chewies 20 or more minutes a day, especially for the first few days of using the aligners to help the teeth move better into their new spots. When removing the aligners, you will also choose a side and start from the back with 2 fingers, squeezing and pulling down on the outer edge of the aligner to loosen it and rolling around to the other side. Pulling from the front will put too much pressure on the teeth and may snap an attachment off. Speaking of attachments, if you have these tooth-colored bumps glued on your teeth, they're like a handle on a door, allowing the aligner to push and pull as needed to better move your teeth. You'll need to stay away from chewing on or eating anything hard or sticky so that they don't break. Also, when you're putting your aligner back in, check to make sure the attachments on your teeth match those in the aligners. If not, one may be broken, so you need to call our office to let us know so we can reschedule to have it repaired within the next week. You'll need to wear your aligners for a minimum of 22 hours per day, taking them out only to eat and brush. You can leave them in to drink water, but do not drink any other drinks or food with the aligners in. This will cause cavities over time, as sugar particles will get trapped into the tray and sit against your teeth. Take care of your aligners. When you remove your aligners to eat, immediately put them in your case to be sure to not only protect the aligners from damage, but also to make sure you don't lose them by otherwise putting them in a napkin or on a tabletop where they might get thrown away or even chewed up by a pet. After eating, you should always brush your teeth in aligners before putting them back in your mouth. Regular brushing and flossing is ideal after eating, but water and a soft bristled toothbrush is fine to use as well. Never leave them in the hot sun or put them in hot water. They're made of plastic and will melt. You were likely given a series of aligners and they're labeled in bags 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Wear the aligners as prescribed, and when you change to number 2 or number 3, make sure you save the last one you wore just in case something happens to the new one. Call our office if you lose or break your aligner, and you'll go back to wearing the last one until we can get a new one for you, hopefully within a week or so. Also, some of our aligners and retainers are made in our in-office lab, and we'll give you a model like this, a 3D model, that you'll need to save as well. If that's the case and you lose one of these retainers, we can easily use this model to make a new one within minutes to have it ready for you to wear again. If you have any further questions or concerns, feel free to always visit our website, which is howellortho.com, for informative videos and information about your treatment. Or you can call our office at 706-387-0606. We're so happy that you chose us for your orthodontic treatment, and we look forward to starting this journey with you and seeing you create a beautiful new smile.